Hi, it's Natalie. I'm going to show you the work that I've done this week. So this is my products page. So I'm going to go into add a product. So I'm going to do a slingshot because that seems like Acme. And just enter in all this information. And click register. And it says, thanks for registering Slingshot. You may now register another product. And if I go in to my table here, I can see that Slingshot has been added to it. So that was good. Now I'm going to go back to add a category. I think UFO seems like a funny Acme thing too. So I'm going to add that, and you can see it was added up there. So if I added a product and I didn't have any information in there, it would say please provide information for all empty form fields. And if I added a category and didn't provide it, it would say please provide information for empty form fields. So that's about it. Thank you for teaching us and everything you do and helping me this week. Talk to you later. Bye.